Hello traders, Andy Demi here from the London Trading Institute. Welcome to another video. Hope you guys are well. Happy Friday. It is nearly the weekend. So today, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you a really cool tool that I think can go with any Forex trading strategy. And if you've not used it before, then I think you might enjoy using it. Okay, so we're going to be talking about sentiment analysis and explaining what it means and how you can use it to improve your chances of being in the right direction, on the right side of the market. Okay, so we'll get to that right in just 30 seconds. Now, before we head over and I show you what sentiment analysis is about and essentially how to use it to improve your chances of being profitable, I want you to do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you haven't already done so. And, hopefully you're enjoying our content, but it really does help us out. It really, shows YouTube that people are enjoying our content. So if you are genuinely enjoying our content, hit the like button. If you're not, obviously, that's absolutely fine as well. You can just listen to me ramble on if you've got, 5 to 10 minutes to waste. Anyway, and comment below. Let me know what you think. At the end of the video, if you already use sentiment analysis, and if you haven't, then if you haven't used it, let me know what you think about using it going forward. Let me know your thoughts. Right, guys, so let's get to it. Enough talking. I'm going to show you my screen. So firstly, what is sentiment analysis? Well, sentiment analysis basically looks at what positions most people have. Now, bear in mind, as we know, statistically speaking, most people lose money. Some people make money. Institutions make money and professional traders make money, and most retail traders lose money. So do you think it would be useful to know where most people are positioned and where the minority are positioned? Well, of course it would, right? Because ultimately, if most people lose money and they are long, then most probably the market is going to go down, okay? And they're going to lose. And equally, if most people are short, then most likely the market is going to go up. Now, I wouldn't recommend that you use this as a standalone indicator, but certainly it can help you, aid you in choosing an overall direction in the market. Okay, so let me show you how it works. So let's take an example here, guys. So firstly, if you want to be able to get this, it's free. It's totally free to use this. So you just have to go to forexclientsentiment.com/client-sentiment. Okay, that's it. It's completely free. No login even required. So you can just come to this page and you can have a look to see. So for example, right here, the euro dollar is showing us that most people, 67% of people are long right now. Okay, they are long this market, which basically means that most people are going to be wrong. Therefore, it's more likely that the euro dollar is going to go lower. And you can see there, it's got 3-star bearish signals. And then this one, even more so, even more bearish is GBP against the dollar. 76% of them are long. But yet, that is a very, very bearish signal because most people are going to lose. And so what you can do is you can also click on this and you can actually just have a look to see, any past signals. It only goes back, a few months, but still you can kind of get an idea. And you can see here basically that the sentiment started to shift bearish from around March the 7th, and it's kind of stayed bearish since then. Okay, so most people are buying, but yet the market is going lower. Okay, so, and then you can kind of click through and look at other currency pairs. So for example, we can look at, this one is strongly bearish. Why don't we look at a strongly bullish one, something like CAD yen. So CAD yen, wow, look at that. So we had a bullish sentiment from the 7th of Feb, and you can see that the market has been going up, and it's up a lot since that point. So you can kind of see where the signals are good, and it'll be interesting to see if that sentiment changes at some point. So right now it is, wow, 79% to 21%. That's pretty huge in terms of sentiment. So that's still looking like it could go higher based on sentiment analysis. So as I said, guys, I think this is a really cool website where it can give you an overview of where most people are positioned. And that way you can get a sense of whether the market is likely to go lower or whether the market's likely to go higher. So let me know what you think, guys. If you've never used sentiment analysis, well, this is the time to be doing it, and it's completely free. You just have to go to that website and you can just check it out. It's bookmark it, and what you can do is every day before you start trading, you can have a quick look at that site, and it will give you a good insight as to where the sentiment is, where people are positioned, and hopefully that's going to help your chances of being profitable. That's all for today, guys. Don't forget, like that button, like that video below, and please comment. Please comment. Let me know what you think. Have you used this before? Do you think it's useful? Anything, comment, whatever you want to comment. And if you want to get more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Wishing you a great weekend, guys. Thank you for your time. Thanks for your loyalty, for always checking my videos out. And hope you got some value from today. Have a good one. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.